So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Ruby in Windows 11. Since Ruby is a programming language, so its installation will be quite simple. Firstly, let's move in our browser. I will be using Chrome browser and search for Ruby. You can also type like Ruby download and click on the first link. After that, you will see under ways of installing Ruby. There will be installer for all your operating systems. This will be the installer for Mac OS. Since I am using Windows, so I will be going with this one. I will just click on download. Since I need both Ruby DevKit, both Ruby and its DevKit, so I will use this one. My download has started. This will take some seconds depending upon my internet and system. So download is almost finished. Now we can just close this one. Just click on this. Okay, we can just go in more info and run anyway. We can go with this one, install for all users. Then we have to accept the license agreement. We can just choose the path where you want to like install your Ruby, but I will recommend you to keep it as default. And you need to make sure that this add Ruby executables to path is checked. Then click on install, then next. Now this will start installing your Ruby. I'll just skip the video to that part where installation is almost done. So yeah, you can see that our installation is almost done. After that, we will just verify the installation using our command prompt. That is by checking the version of Ruby. So it is almost done. Okay, we can just finish this. After that, you need to do one more thing. You have to just hit enter here. Okay. Then this will start executing some commands. You need to hit enter one more time whenever this will ask. Okay, let me skip the video. So yeah, my terminal was automatically closed. Now we can just go in our command prompt. And here we can just type ruby space -v. This will help us checking the Ruby version which we have just installed. If it is showing Ruby version, that means we have successfully installed our Ruby and it is now globally accessible. We can also type like where Ruby. This will tell us the directory where ruby.exe is installed. So this is the directory where ruby.exe is installed. So that's it for today's video guys. Now let's see you next time.